Hello friends, please subscribe my channel, press notification bell icon for more technical videos. Thank you. Today I will show you how to install Microsoft Windows 8.1. So you need a 8.1 installation disk or USB bootable device. To start the installation, boot the device with disk or USB device. So after that you will get the option for the installation of the Windows. So the GUI now is coming. Just wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Here it is, select the language, then click on next, install now. Okay, setup is starting. Now you have to enter the license key here, product key for Windows 8.1. After the key entered, click on next and you will get this option for license agreement. Accept the license, then click next. Now you will get the two options for upgrade and custom. We are installing a fresh Windows, so we will select the custom. Now select the hard disk space. So I'm not creating any new partition. I'm selecting the whole hard disk. So it's 40 GB hard disk. Then click next. So now the installation started. So it will take some time. About 10 to 15 minutes. So it will go one by one step. So I'm going to forward this video as I cannot wait for that long time for the installation. So following this video, it's just about complete. So once the setup is completed, so it will restart the computer, and after that you will get this option for entering the PC name. So I've just entered the TS Technology, then click next. Now I customize the settings. So select the setting as per your requirement. Read all the settings and do it accordingly. Nice. So after setting selected, so you will get this option for the account, Microsoft account creation. So if you don't have an account, so you will click on create a new account, and you will get an option to create a new account, but you can also skip this option right now. So click on sign in without a Microsoft account. Now you will get an option for the new user account creation in Windows or login. So I just entered the name of the username. and enter the password. And also enter the hint. So after that it will let you go next. Click on the next. So it's finalizing your settings. It will take some time. So it's the final stage for the Windows setup. So it will take some time here. I'm forwarding this video, and in between the installation, do not turn off your PC. Let the installation complete first. So it's just about complete, and here it is. Now you can see the desktop. Installation is complete now. So I'm just checking. Yes, it's 3 Windows, 40 GB hard disk. I'm just checking the settings. Everything is working fine here. So you can see that Windows installed properly. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please comment and share, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.